In the last lesson, we have added the login method. Now let me tell you that so far we have used the API URL both in the register and the login method. Let's say we have 15 methods and every method contains this API URL. Now in future, let's say you change your REST API URL, then it means you need to update the URL at 15 different points. So we'll fix this problem. First of all, let's create a new C# class. And name it app settings. Now just make this class static, and inside this class I'm gonna add a field of type string and name it API URL. Now let's copy this API URL and paste it here in the double quotes. Now in the register and login method, instead of this URL, we'll pass the URL from this app settings class. Basically, we'll concatenate the API URL with these endpoints. So let's remove the API URL from the register method, and then let's call app settings.api URL, which comes from this app settings class, and then we'll use the plus symbol to concatenate the API URL and the register method. Alright, similarly, we'll do this in the login method. And here we go. Alright, now let's continue our work in the next lesson.